We're gonna go in the garage for a minute.
Alright, let's see if I can catch a hiccup or two. There it is.
Yes.
Oh, sorry.
Cool. That's what I wanted.